Brickyard 4714, Pittsburgh Tower, turn right heading 360, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff, wind 3404.
Right heading 360, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff, Brickyard 4714.
Envoy 3801, turn left heading 210 and contact departure.
Left 210 over to departures, we'll see at 3801.
Pittsburgh Tower, American 2738 is set for inbound for landing 28 center.
American 2738, Pittsburgh Tower, runway 28 center, clear to land, wind 3305.
Clear to land, 28 center, American 2738.
Brickyard 4714, contact departure.
Or departure, Brickyard 4714, see ya.
Yeah.
Union Tower, 280 Charlie's ILS 32.
Gulfstream 280 Charlie, Pittsburgh Tower, runway 32, clear to land, wind 3305.
Full land 32 for 280 Charlie.
Gulfstream 80 Charlie, roll to the end.
Roll to the end for 280 Charlie.
American 2738, turn right, Tango or Victor, and then taxi Echo and Delta 1 to the ramp.
Right, Tango or Victor, and then, I think you said Delta 1 to the ramp, Echo Delta 1.
That's correct.
And Tower, by the way, American 2738, that's accident here. We hit a flock of birds on final, I would say 500 feet out, approximately 2 miles out, right on the center line.
American 2738, roger. Do you think there's any damage?
I don't know, I mean, I'll figure it out and walk around, but I mean, it was a pretty good thud.
Okay, stay on my frequency. I think I have to give you a phone number so you can call our supervisor so they can fill out some paperwork, just a formality, but stay on my frequency.
Alright, I'll stay on your frequency all the way to taxi. We're going Bravo 32, and anyway, I didn't know if you need to know and they need to go, like, give a funeral for the bird or something.
We'll say some words up here.
Fair enough.
American 2730, I have the phone number for you now.
Ready.
Okay, it's... Thanks for that.
Alright, thanks.
Gulfstream 80 Charlie, turn right at the end, taxi November 2 to land.
Right at the end, November 2 to
Pittsburgh Tower, Spirit Range 280, RNAV 28 center.
Spirit 280, Pittsburgh Center, clear to land, wind calm.
28 center, clear to land, Spirit Range 280.
Spirit 280, we had a Birdstrike on a 280 Center final about 5 minutes ago. I doubt you'll be able to see him and avoid him, but just use caution.
Spirit Range 280, thanks.
Tower, FedEx 361 Heavy is on the visual 32.
361 Heavy, Pitch 32, clear to land, wind is calm.
Clear to land, runway 32, FedEx 361 Heavy.
And Tower, Sun Country 3075, we'll be right at end of the runway.
Sun Country 3075, pitch. Runway 28 right, fly runway heading, clear takeoff, wind calm.
Okay, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, Sun Country 3075.
Spirit 280, any right turn, ground point 9.
Right turn, ground point 9, Spirit Range 280.
Tower, getting down to 1679, 28 right.
1679, 58 right, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear land 28 right, Delta 1679.
Sun Country 3075, turn left to 190, contact departure.
Left turn 190 to departure, Sun Country 3075.
FedEx 361 Heavy, right at the end, left on November, hold for the 28 right.
Right at the end, left of November, hold short of 28 right, FedEx 361 Heavy.
Pittsburgh Tower, American 2738. Yes? Yeah, we landed, parked at Bravo 32. We're looking about that bird strike right now with downstairs, but this number I got, I'm not getting any answer there. Okay, and then try extension 234. Okay, stay back slower.
And try extension 234.
Okay. Extension 234.
Correct.
Thank you.
FedEx 361 Heavy, cross runway 28 right to cargo.
Alright, cross 28 right to cargo, FedEx 361 Heavy.